Today we are making homemade dishwasher tablets. 5 ingredients combined to make this natural cleansing agent. You will love the lemony fresh scent of these cute tablets. Before we get started, you may want to pause the video here and print the written recipe and ingredient list from the website wholesalesupplisplus.com. Creating this product takes 6 simple steps: prep, base, additives, mold, package, label. Now let's get started. Prepare for the project. Gather the ingredients and equipment. Create a safe workspace that is clean and secluded from children and pets. We recommend wearing protective clothing such as long sleeves, an apron, goggles, gloves, a mask, and a hairnet. Begin by making the base. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of sodium carbonate, 1 cup of sodium borate, and 1/4 cup of medium grain European spa salt. Mix together with a wire whisk. Next, incorporate the additives. While mixing, add 4 ounces of vinegar, and then drizzle 1 1/2 milliliters of lemon essential oil. Mix together until all ingredients are well incorporated. The mixture should hold together when squeezed with your hand. We are ready to mold the product. Densely pack the mixture into 20 of the mold cavities and set for at least 24 hours. The next day, remove the dishwasher tablets from the molds. Our product is ready for packaging. Stack 5 tablets in clear poly bags and tie closed with natural raffia. Labels add a nice finishing touch and keep your product compliant with the Federal Trade Commission and Consumer Product Safety Commission. The label should include the product name, total net weight, caution statement, directions for use, ingredients in descending order of predominance, warnings, first aid instructions, storage requirements, company name, and contact information. Share your homemade dishwasher tablets with others. Packaged in tall cello bags, these make perfect prizes for bridal showers and baby showers. To use, simply place 1 tablet into the appropriate compartment of your dishwasher. Brought to you by Wholesale Supplies Plus, your one-stop shopping destination for quality cosmetic and soap-making materials. For more information or to purchase online, visit wholesalesupplisplus.com.